Ebusian for AyEka na 7tvgh. Mestre like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Sisters and brothers and brother, sister, just say, "O much gan ne japadie." Eno mudi ni nyafu. Enye NDC for ya no mo se akufo ado akofa ni nua bema oforiata aba be minister of finance nti omunti ibida. Enye omo no mo ka so omunti ibida na de Joyce Bawa ni nebusuafo Joyce Bawa ono ani nua ne nua be ni nua chese Joyce Bawa nko ebusuafo egum anse no no John Dramani Mahama ebusuafo egum na mo hwe senia John Mahama ti opposition na yente da se ne ba no sa na oye boxing ho ahwan na papa yi ba position pedie itumi invite and conform your boxes e mo ba Ghana e bebo boxing nepe ne ehunu sese bisa na John Mahama ne ba no oye boxing ho ahwan e my whole president mi kwotena ase esa na me na me enye me wa Mahama na nkasa ni nim se wo me yehwe ono atama na se bi wo ahoden pokura 2016 to 2012 to 2016 mpo no wono kra wa me yehwe na sisi ya wadwojo e no wa baby na Ghana na nkasa no me say the day a youth for ni better no na si ya reject NDC Ghana ye ntum ponda because NDC for the adwene diakro every time be omo the adwene ni diagro and they are still doing that. It is high time I hear you to know. I was see a sorry near Gina near Shiny Pass, said the up till now. Like a Mahama Kaupa 2012 to 2016, Uncle Ye, Kaupa 25 ye. Because the only thing I can be honest and Kaupa surprise ye NP before with a policy. Single policy in your first time. Nanki, who say, hey, Mahama, ye near Sembiaka. The president about 1 year pet, uncle, sem dosopo. 24-hour economy, I promise my youth no, she my. She jume bie ni ho bibie ni ho no ma promise ya aba mo hwe women development bank ya mo ka tam be yi mo ntumi amfa sika hye women development bank mo share emma sebi edwamfo abatan se mo ba mo di sika be ma mo di ahye mo dwa ase na o matumi atonwade enya so mfaso no matumi etuetua ne kakra sebi ede aban ne benya so mfaso na matumi ahwe development bank anim ahwe ye maame no mo dwom tie ewia so ewia bo mo ahye omo na mo tim fifire na mo se medisika na koto sanitary pad abranka says kanu so nka mo de ma ye omo dwomi ene emma tenya ko mbetumi dia ye adwuma nya ho profit e dia to sanitary pad ya mo ma enti NDC amemu ne de the only thing they know is to steal. Yemfa kwan bi so ni yembo man ne kro no ne yafa kwan no so ne yabo no kro no na nka se bio hwan pa ne betumi aka se medisika ekwa check government or no buy or see the country is broke, the country has been mismanaged. Now say maba medisika eche me tu ska to atwene na wakoto sanitary pad living the priorities say ma be si omoti dwomi betimi disika na mama hye omodwam ama say ometumi aton ade ama yato ama manya so mfaso agese aban opeso wi ade obokro no say your mind no me say NDC amemo ne de John 10 verses 10 na Mahama ba so be wi obekum no wasay. So the only thing Mahama came is to destroy us. Ono obada da be destroy that ya ntia se ne senema so obekun asie yen. And that is what he is doing. And if a president can actually see sanitary pad here, say medicine ma madia she edwan omodwa ase, ama se be metu menya mfa so atimato sanitary pad ama for a year. Na medicines can back to one sanitary pad for them to use. And if you look at this sanitary pad AyEka ho asema wo besu. Because that sanitary pad here, Motoma 45 Ghana cedis. They are selling this same sanitary pad Chrome, which is even far better, 15 Ghana cedis. Yet on sanitary pad, no, they papa crossing 45 Ghana cedis. Yet on 15 Ghana cedis. Shemu 20. Where the shemu 12 pe. No more yesadi ha we ya sabi if the child is mentioned blood ni also on to me you should sanitary pad way. Because of staying in the home. Inti sa pad we na Mahama mo ye say omo dey stop sa friend say akura betuma ko school na. Is this the pad they are talking about? We dear, it is never that pad because we omo propaganda chrono. Ye kase chrono pa bra ye ni da ho pa na ye hwa we ye pad issue we ye chrono asem. In na yet hano yebeti and say gold border, ye de 300 million, the amount $300 million, the amount say. Mon financial gold border, mon total gold, the jamamo say, obi crash a necklace, na say gold crown one be register, come with much natural. Mon ton gold the wa. Na mo anka say sa mon ton gold no amonone. Na mo first can emra so we su a difficult tax my this for. Say sika e the amount of $300 million. Fakoto gold keke. Na ko ton nya ho fa so na fabra no. Wo se maboka. Wo se mabɔ ho ka. Na seni ankase bisa me jemfie na no chabe wo position a se be mobile power still na no ehunu se o man Ghana nkoyie no when I see them na chase me hu se sa me jemfiti ho na so person okasara no krai me wa nani nwa de oguni ho ani mu ase o ma youth for no o ma be mabu ne ho why because nka no kure na obeka o se wo ka no kure wo position no na nke we expecting him se nkase bi nko be ya de papa abewi o man Ghana boye kro no just like that keke. Ene Sami Jemfi Sam George ono so ka se ono Mahama obapawa obechi Mahama se jata absa Mahama anye niema yi a ene data oka kire yen se holiday bia bebe bia no obema ye data ma data na kofom ebusua Christmas na abai data bia nkofom oboa data no kra ye west e ukoto data kitikiti ene new year na abai data bia ni ho e ba form a sebi ye hu se Independence Day na networks a omuma yen data bonanza all the time abre ye Independence Day network na ye network companies na no mode sa free data ne ba e de ma ye no mate so na chese ye data kese. It was never done by Sami George or someone. It was never orchestrated by him. E wo hoda da. This has even exposed him because ono kache as a holiday piano, he will give us free data. Ye bisa Sami Jemfi on say won so kwa the Samsung kra be high endodo. Sam George say, where is the Christmas holiday bundle? And where is the New Year holiday bundle? Ni na we hefa. I didn't know one fan man me ye hu dede because you know say you yourself you are a failure. When say you are ntino ye one say Ghana for ensua bibi enfri sade we especially the youth. See ensua NDC for me mo ehunu say omo de omo ya atro to the extent say omo timi twa atro wo bibie mu ema sebi de be ye be mo man Ghana ko yere they don't want the better na the good for Ghana. Nti de be mo man Ghana ye na wo so mo bogu omo yo mo ho sasabronsam. Nti na wo say yetimi gina youth for no ne ma ye remfi NDC amemuo ne reject you all the time whenever they come in somebody stand in any position. If it's a sankofo we do not deserve to even lead Ghanaians or Ghana again. They don't deserve it. Omo ya mamboyefo omo be say your mind no omo be wiye Ghana sika nyina. Imagine say gold reserves ye be to ye na gold reserve ye 8 tons pe. Na Dr. Laj Mahmoud Bawumia de adwene kase we. Gold purchase, gold for oil, ediaba. Dear no man can fa ho. Get me 30 tons of gold. Emma ye de can sebi ye gold ye hon reserves ho. Emma Ghana man Ghana ye koye ye hon say we are rich. And Kofu we be power nko an mo hwe send your mo mishandle ye Ghana ye gold reserves yi. Amanda hwe kabubura ebam first starting in ponyi. Na ye ba be the second year. Ene Ghana for mon chechire sapo wo muyem na chese mon boka chire emfa ntum trim efiri se ye be so ye niema afiri Ghana ha e de akopre ba bi atena efiri se memunum wa be ye den because looking at the way things are kono ene akokokra wontimi nto akoko 150 200 250 I just hope chingelenge akoko chingelenge ena obenya no 100 Ghana eko. Now pe akokwa eye kama so kama dia 150 200 250 and now beton no in the NDC for say omo de nkokwa nketenkete aba ebusua bisa constituency be was say nkokwa nketenkete no why na anya bi e wo constituency mu looking at the rate in there me hu video bi or say nkokwa no nketenkete no ba akwa 12 Ghana cedis. NDC almost the country is broke. Is giving that nkukon kitinkiti and is selling one nkukon kitinkiti and now say has used the taxpayers' money to purchase nkukon kitinkiti. Say baako 67 Ghana cedis. Giving it to taxpayers or more to taxpayers' money 67 cedis for one nkukon kitinkiti. Meanwhile, no, some nkukon kitinkiti no pen wholesale price kra. Ubenya be 10 cedis, ubenya be 6 cedis. And so NDC are buying the money 67 Ghana cedis for one. And if we are sitting here, that's almost every constituency, they're going to give us 10,000 chicks. Not 10,000 chicks, you crampon, ye who so way, constituency, near any my dear eba. Just this in Coconk and get a crampon, say be a nim. If it's a buying on your shim free. Or no, not buying a cheche, a buy or say the country is broke, they are all yanis or ye give away. A buying ye give away. O buy an obese sorry 10 the chair was sorry. O buy a sanitary pad, my todd ya chair. And go on getting so me todd ya chair. A buyer will say a mamu, I will say a broke country. Mahama is just a failure, and he will always remain a failure. Or you're incompetent, and once he has been an incompetent president from 2012 to 2016 or 2025 to 2028, we will still know Mahama and call him the incompetent person. Unto me more mine, unto me handle a mamu, unto me mugana mine. And so Mahama they incompetent there. Then we must say no and reject the NDC because when you want to me my Ghana, or want to me Ghana ye. There is no way Obi to me convincing and say these people can control Ghana. No,
Kukudu.
$10 million.
Kukudu and 2 badges at Trump John Mahama Sonkwana.
Or Chichenko for
As well cover Venezuela for a president in a year.
Pacho or Mumbefa Mahama and Kodia. And by crime or I bet much letter
why na voice
because
Kukudu ya voice na edru so.
Okay, sir.
I said crime be or I bet to me a letter, Pacho won't say any letter and come Trump from Fanco. Because I cried the pen and tentem because Mahama
No, but I didn't come. I don't Ibrahim soon come.
How far Ibrahim?
Another person by AyEka na first one named to me and Tiano. One can say yet, said one can say yet Tiamo 1 month in Tiano no or sign call back, mammy. Eko Tiamo 3 years now, by that down and to me and Tiamo, no Tiamo Nini now be up to date. Obedi ad yes no, Waketua as teacher name and Kamuda. Obedi ad no. What we call allowances for teachers, cola and all those things, no. Want soda, opijemu, okaya, no almost almost 20%, NMC mom 15% cola. Mame, you within. Mama G, so and Quasiadia, we were NPP and we did for party.
Don't worry, man, you know.
Mr. Beneza, you see, baby, Ghana polarize it to know. I live in Canada, but I'm scared for Ghana. Abain bia ba when tuyaneka, abain and tuyaneka. Abain bia baby tuya the ayen tuyaneka in air tuya up to date. Or say, you bet tuyaneka ni moye within.
Yeah.
And then be ye na ye day teacher Ghana. Be ye
COVID time, Kudru, yen AyEka, copy me say. COVID chem ko aban be ne betima yes ade
oh
COVID time me pay a buyer copy me say
na tesa wonu wo teacher ni
me I go government work me age more Ghana water
oh nyame nhira wo ha
be me delegate me sign delegate me sign delegate
mejo number wo no mo na yehia momo no na yehia
delegate of mamu suru
momo na yehia because Mr. Beneza dia NDC for person mo dane Ghana for adwene ye no me kwasi apia metie menti ase
emfa
obi antua meka obi abetua meka yesi de otua meka ne moye within that dia wantua meka ne moye ni papa o modam enyo politics we enyo politics senior man we enyo politics we enyo NDC MPP Jimmy no we Jimmy naturally because obi fa waketwa ukokore mu a ade abako akore nchi usury so obi be use na wantua uka oba Bible mu so a Bible na so ka say memfa odwumayeni na ketua anyeden
eni
but Muhammad dey ofa adwumayeni aketua di a oh good pa Muhammad o ya
okay.
What kind of nonsense is this? And sadly, these stupid people think this is politics. You guys think this is politics? I work for 3 years and I get paid 1 month, and that is politics. Because I'm NDC, you know, when Tiame Krakrana, John Muhammad, are you stupid? And now AyƐka say because of core mass in tea and kwada bebre into me tertiary. Because this government government is failing. Say obetwa na idea me hu no em say wait I mean like the voice will know this. The amase ko hu kra ne say sa non-paying fees for no kra almost umutua ho am 1 year mom no went to yakura 57 million. 57 million went to yakura no. The obetua buying so no aso wase no. Nana dona oye bad no. Nana dona no ye bad no. Sebio sa 57 million no wanje ubi.
Yeah, Simo.
Yenya na efiri akura mama ji me Mrs. Director won no onimade ankasa nanso na esese ye koton abusua koko ene ye me a ewo kede obi oni mi bia anim asema making kede in order to see Reta to go to university. Ara who some say Reta free and say ya abusua koko ni aba ye ton de hwe Reta ni na no akoye kwa
Go pon fan currency.
na aban bi aba say okay Mama G who Ghana card per Switch card na fa beji loan kopem time a ubewie school Ghana for say dia onu ema wo loan na kopem da wudi bewie school no onu nye papa na de o se koton wo papa no ma me no ntoma no ma ejapade na fa bre school no mu no onu mu ye papa nyansa ben na wo wi mu e de na mo ye wo Ghana ho no. Mama G, what is going on with you people? Because that is not politics. Mama, me back Canada na me 14 years. Adi ene onyame adaruma me 41 years. Adi ba ko a mehu e we brochire politics ho ne say. Uko yuka. Ebra government no attention ka say I will give everybody 2 pence and 2p no. Na opposition say there be 2p dey so ye pe 4p meboa. Ghana de onu anya sa 2p na ma ona ka kire wo say de waba ma 4p ni ye boni ntine se so onu mbo no ono a wantumi anya 2p ama no onu mo bra na mpa Ghana ni akoto kwase aba
Better so.
Jimmy anya politics. That shit is not politics. I don't want nobody to tell me no nonsense. That is not politics.
Thank you very much.
Mimi krom kede ebi e yanyende because of Dr. Nkrumah kede match factory or the call. Okay, kede match factory. Na ene obi bana kede match factory no wentumi anhweso ma na egu a. Yese dia ogu kede match factory no oye papa. Na do no the one district one factory ba ye nekede ye what 3 solid ones ye adwuma dia ye de ye ngo dia ye de ye yes one district where you strong 3 correct one pa ye de ye you know oh yes we ye kofa free kusi aben ye kofa sebe free kusi and na me no ka say unim say and patromo mamembo alanchemante abaso kakra wa ha misremo munim say me patromo fanche mu say me I like to be fair and objective unim say ene ya started windshield I'm kind of saying driving shield and say I don't know I'm the paper car anymore no one will say I started wo Ghana abena abeno ane de abe ene de na obi abeka kire wo say ye de ba ene na dum so wo nti no radio station for kra ne ye ntimi anya adwuma because sanka NDC apenswa, which you Mama G you know, most of the radio stations no programs you can't because of doom so. It's not normally only the important ones, no. We are near my friend is saying RMs, my friend is saying commercial. Do opening buedi I can change. Ebe ni zampato music akra bi mame. Ase dey double with you.
Mr. Felix.
Me de manu si ama.
Mr. Felix, can you open and say
me hu pa me pacho you me de manu si ama. Se otena se na ase Ghanaian. O ka kire me say aban na went to me ama $1. Aban na went to me ama cedi no. Eye papa Echi abanya ono de saade na abrewa. You are not doing politics. We are bayfo. A witch in motion. Bayfo and ho ye ne de. Ne dia ne se insuo kakra beto. Na wachi adiza bana kwhyen 37 table den mu. Na wachi rock. Echi dragon. E dia kotata no. We are killing this country gradually. We are killing this country away, sebi gradually. Because for the first time in the history of Ghana, and this before say, ye didja, and yam fast winting ye didja, name mum see a debeboka. I'm a Ghana for JDM and for Jina Sami Jemfi, air support to Sami Jemfi. Now the American say, Onyame ya dom, na MPP a babaka, mame, Bruni or where the be or cast a crime does not expire. Into double salary for the Abamba be Messomo be jail, me do nyame. Abambabe. One more muji double salary no. Ya bet you win in adio makotum. Hey, say nanado ni obi na waka say we we wako patcho one anado. Emra. And crime does not expire. And we shall make sure Sami Jemfi will be the first candidate to visit Yoko when we come to
No
power.
crown abeka. No crown abeka.
You may make it sure, because yes, Sami Jemfi and Kaminim, and this guy was so bold on the news file page. They say program with Dimu and Kase catch they say ye did just say the boka, ye did just say the per profit.
Eh.
Na NDC near JD because Sami the ya Diana Samia Charlie 24 by moving Kelly. Why? Tell me a chance I made them.